Hello everyone, welcome to EWF YouTube channel. Today is July 26th and the chart of the day for today is the Swiss yen here, 45 minutes time frame. We can see we ended with C, so it's in the form of an ABC, ended with 4 over here, and then since then it has started to rally. Now the leg higher here, it kind of looks impulsive, right? And that suggests that most likely we're going to see another leg higher later on because of the impulsive rally from here. Now in the very near term there is a possibility we could have ended one here, especially if we do another leg down from here, right? Then so that means this is your A or your W, and this is your B or your X, and then that will be your C or the Y, right? So depending on what the next potential move is, so this is basically one possible path, is doing something like this. Now I can think of the same path going higher. I can think of three different ways. One is this way, another is already ending one here and now doing a 2 and then higher. Now notice here whether one or the other is the same conclusion. As long as we stay above 172.28, we can see more upside. And then the third one is in fact the 1 and 2 is already finished here. So then that means the rally is actually going to be already in the wave 3, right? Or at least with C, right? So those are the three options for calling more upside as long as we stay above 172.28. Now let me zoom out on the 4-hour time frame and then focus on the a little bit context here. This is the 4, this is the C. So it is a C of 4, and this is your B, the same B as this one right here in the 1 hour, and that will mean that this is your A. So we have a EBC pullback, so this will be your 3 here, right? And you notice here that if you do in the projection a perfect 100% extension, bouncing immediately, right? And the bounce is already 50% retracement of the C leg. So that means this is pretty decent enough separation from the lows that if anybody actually start to buy here last time, then the position is already risk free. Now in the shorter cycle, again, like I said, the rally kind of looks impulsive. So even if it is not bullish, even because this one still needs to break above this wave 3, right, to basically completely rule out any kind of possible WXY, double zigzag, for example, right? If you want to rule out WXY, then it needs to break above that peak over here. Now even if this is not, let's hypothetically say this is W, right? So that means this is a lower degree A, and this is a B, and this is a C, right? So that's for hypothetical reason, let's call it this way. Now because this leg here looks impulsive, so even if that is the case, it is still most likely going to be, still going to be a 3-ish rally, because the first leg is impulsive, right? So this is an impulse, you get a pullback, and most likely you're still going to get another leg higher. So back to form the X before it fails, right? So even if this is not wave 3 and it's only wave C, still, because this one kind of looks impulsive, then still most likely we might see another leg up as long as we stay above 172.28. So at minimum we can at least look to be seeing another leg higher in the Swiss yen, all right, as long as we stay above 172.28. Now if you want to get more updates on Swiss yen or any other Forex commodities indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.